Do you know that for every 4 people that retire from a trade or manufacturing position, that there's only 1 person replaced? 4 leave, 1 come back. That's kind of like throwing 4 socks into the dryer and only 1 comes out. Hello? Hello, where is everybody? You might be saying, Lisa, how can we possibly be facing a labor shortage? There's millions of jobless millennials that are actually seeing unemployment levels at twice the national average. National average right now is 4%. Millennials and youth workers are about 8%. Why can't we fill these vacancies? Well, here's the scoop. For the last 2 generations, people haven't been necessarily leaping into manufacturing. It's not sexy enough. They may be looking for ways to maybe manufacture higher video game scores, but when it comes to an actual job, they're thinking WTF? Wait a minute, I don't know where you people are going, but that's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. They're looking for a 3-day work week. Because manufacturing has a stigma to it. You know this. Anytime you've ever seen anything on television, it's hot, it's dirty, it's grungy, it's smelly. There's no place for advancement. It's backwards thinking. The only way that you can really advance is if you're going to be the shop foreman. And the only way that you can really get that gig is if you're the foreman's son, you know, nepotism. As opposed to nepotism, which means that you can fall asleep on the job and not get in trouble because you know people. But there's a bigger problem, and that's the problem with parents. Parents that are having their kids go away from trade and technical schools onto 4-year universities so that they can get a real job. Now, I actually wish that my hands were much bigger right now so I could be really sarcastic when it comes to that real job. Because parents believe that kids that go to technical school go there because they're not college material. And goodness knows parents want their kids to be college material. But unfortunately, a lot of those college material kids are living in their parents' basements, which actually wouldn't be so bad if they had actually gone to a trade or technical school and could fix things. Manufacturing is going through a renaissance right now as we have more companies looking to produce their goods on American soils. So we need to change the conversation. We need to have new technology, new ways of looking at our business, new ideas. If you are using technology that is older than the people you're looking to hire, guess what? They're not going to work for you. If they come in and they say, hey, do you have Wi-Fi in the plant so I can stream music through my iPhone? And you say, we have a CD player. Boombox with a tape deck? Record player? How many of you are still with me? How many of you are waiting for me to say 8-track tapes? Yeah, there you go. When it comes to modernizing your brand, I have 3 words for you: social media and video. Now, I know some of you are saying, Lisa, that's 4 words. We're not counting the and. Did you know that in February of 2017, we were uploading 500 hours of video to YouTube every single minute? Now, a lot of that video is being uploaded from parents' basements. If you're doing the math, that's 65 years of video every single day, which basically means that you can start watching video on the day that you're born, and by the end of that day's content, you're ready to retire. Hey, we're also watching 1 billion hours of video every single day. Do you think that your people that you're hiring are looking out for you? And if they are, what are they seeing? Are they seeing a bunch of corporate mumbo-jumbo marketing speak? Welcome to the wonderful world of manufacturing. Or are they looking at a place that could be a pretty cool place to work? Now, if we look at video these days, it's not like video of old. Remember the big honking cameras? Kind of looked like you were carrying around a room air conditioner? Yeah. Every single one of you have your own video camera with you. It's your phone. These videos don't have to be Hollywood blockbusters. As a matter of fact, the more perfect they are, the less effective they are. So when you're working with video, make it real and make it count.